Perfect. Look at that. Barcode hurt. Works. Yes. Hi. Today we're going to introduce to you the 5A system brand. And today we're going to look at the 5AB3 convenient fingerprint lock. This is for the outside. And I love the metallic color with the black. It's very modern. Oh, this is where you're going to put the card. And you can see the numbers. These right here, by the way, they're not easy to copy, so nobody's going to be stealing these keys here. But if you do forget your keys and you do forget your batteries, to change the batteries, this baby right here has a USB port, and you can charge it just using an external battery. Okay, so before we start installing, I just want to show you and tell you that you can put anywhere. This lock, you can put it anywhere you want. In a door like this in an office setup, or in a door inside your home, inside your office, or outside your house. So this lock can go anywhere you want. So now let's go try it. Perfect! Look at that! Barcode hurt. Works. Yes! So order today your professional perfect design lock today. Immediately go to 5asystems.com.